Hello, I'm Laren. I'm a mom of four. After many years of having kids, a couple of years ago, I decided, you know what, get some kids, taking care of me. So I'm going back and forth to the dentist, getting my teeth pulled, the ones that need to be pulled in the back. Eventually had to get some filling done to this one and this one. And so ate something probably shouldn't have been eaten and broke the filling. And eventually it was just like, you know what, go ahead and pull it because you're going to have to get this pulled in order to get, your teeth in. This is what we discussed. So after, getting everything done, it just seemed like they just kept trying to milk my insurance. And I didn't feel right by it. I just was like, you know what, forget this. I got to figure out something else out. Or at least go to a dentist, but another dentist. But you going to another dentist, you have to start the whole process over again. I'm like, screw this. So I'm walking around like this, for the last 6-7 months. And just, I'm a pretty girl. Can't be walking around like this. So it really had me feeling some type of way. Even though, my family was, supportive of it. Like, we know what you look like. You get it fixed. I'm like, forget this. This is messed up. So I'm on Snap a lot. And I just happened to see, Veneers. And I've been seeing it for some time. But, I'm like, okay, this is another, quick scheme, trying to get money. So I go to the site, I look up the reviews, look at the videos, and you guys were very helpful with that. And so, I'm like, why not give it a shot? So I put in my order. The best thing I could have done. I put in my order, and it comes in like a couple of weeks later, and I got the motor and everything. It honestly took me like a week or two to do it because I was just like, okay, I gotta be in a good mood to do this. It gotta be perfect. And so my sister helps me get it done, and we send it off. And I swear it came so quick. I thought it was gonna be a little bit longer than what it was, but it came very quick. And I got the top and the bottom done. See that. And so it changed my life. It really, really did. And I couldn't have thought of a best way to spend some money, seriously, on your teeth. If you want to get some stuff done to your body and stuff like that, fix your teeth, baby. Fix them. And I did. Okay, so the molds came back perfect with it in the box. Everything pretty. This looks exactly what my mouth is. I'm embarrassed. But it changed my life. I swear to God. My teeth. I got the top and the bottom. I'm about to pop these in for you. See? Still working on this. Bear with me. It's taking some time. You used to popping these in right. But I swear to God, it's so easy and it's smooth. And the way they fit, like they fit. They fit. And then, I love it. I feel so much confident. I really had a good support system with the whole thing because nobody was more concerned about it more than me. Because I know what I look like. You know what I mean? I know how it makes me feel. And your smile and your hair, anything up here, this is your crown. It's your temple up here. So you got to make sure it's right. Your body too. But this, I love it. Thank you, Veneers. I would highly recommend you to anybody. Baby, I'm telling you. These things is in there. You need your teeth fixed. You want them looking good, sharp. Fix them. Veneers is it. Thank you.